So if you're looking for the steps required to replace Masonite siding with James Hardie plank siding, you've come to the right place. This video, we're going to explain the 4 steps that you should take to replace Masonite siding with beautiful James Hardie planks. So stick around for the 4 steps. They are demo. We're going to demo all of the existing Masonite siding on this wall. We're going to inspect. So behind the existing exterior cladding, there's some sheathing. Then we're going to wrap. The wrapping process is in installing an approved moisture barrier. And then finally, we're going to install when we go up with our trim and beautiful Hardie plank siding. So stick around and we'll go through each one of those steps for you. As you can also see behind me, part of the demo process involves removing any freeze board that may be installed over the existing cladding as well. That's got to come off so that we can access the existing wall cladding to demo. Then want to make sure we wrap behind that, and then we'll put a new Hardie trim up there as well. So you notice that tall piece of equipment there. Those are called pump jacks. The most efficient way of accessing tall walls. The days of scaffolding and erecting scaffolding and things like that, those are a thing of the past. This equipment really makes these guys most efficient. We're then going to go into our inspection process where we inspect the sheathing behind that Masonite siding, and then we'll go to step 3 where we'll wrap, and then we'll continue into step 4 where we start to install. You can see behind me this wall has been wrapped with that X Plus wrap. And part of the planning process is we want to clearly mark all of your studs, right? So you can see this line here. We've marked this again because with the Hardie you want to make sure that you nail on stud and break on stud. So again, part of the wrapping process is also planning and preparation. Finally, step 4, the installation process of the Hardie plank siding. So we've gone through the demo process, the inspection process, the wrapping process. Now we're getting set up with our cut station for the Hardie plank siding.